Hey, you guys, it's Miss Alexander. Today, we're working with Engage New York again. We're doing Module 3, Lesson 18. It's a day one, so it means I'm giving you time to work on this section for a couple days. Our objective is to find the whole number, quotients, and remainders. Okay, here we go. Look at our vocabulary words, you guys. Divisor, dividend, quotient, and remainder. What's the divisor, you guys? Yes, it is how many we need in a group. What is a dividend? Great job, you guys. It is. It's the total amount of what we have. What is a quotient? Very nice. It is. It's how many groups we have. So, and the remainder? Very good. Is what we have left over of our dividend that cannot be divided into our divisor. Very nice. I'm glad you know your vocabulary words. So let's go put our vocabulary words into action. So let's go to the example. I have 86 divided by 5. So I have the dividend of 86. 86. And it's divided by a divisor of 5. What do I do next, you guys? Yes, repeated addition. So I'm going to go 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 5. Yes, 15 plus 5. You guys are quick. Is 20 plus 5. Yes, 25. Oh, 25 plus 5. Yes, 30. So let's go look at our problem. I have 5 and 86. Well, I see that I don't have to go straight into 86. Let's just deal with the 8. We're going to deal with one number at a time. Can I pull any groups out of 8 from, can I pull, let me try this again. I have 8. Can I pull out of a group of 5 or 2 groups of 5? So we'll go over to our repeated addition and to see what number is less than 8 that we can pull out with 5. So I see 5, 10. So it looks like I can pull out one group of 5. So I'm going to hit here, hit my 1. 1 and the quotient times the divisor 5 equals 5. And I put that underneath my dividend. Now I'm going to subtract 8 minus 5. So if we're struggling with this, put up 8 fingers, take away 5. It leaves you 3 fingers. Now we have this nice 6. We're going to pull the 6 down. Do you see that? So this is what we need to look at. Now I'm not just 3, I'm looking at 36. It's 2 digits, 36. And 5 goes into 36 how many times? So if we look, I've made it to 30, but I don't know. I still have 6. And I believe 6 is bigger than 5. So I'm going to quick count, add 5 more. 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 35 is 7. 5 times 7 is 35. So I'm going to add 5 more. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And that's 40. And 40 is bigger than 36. So because I need a number close to 36, I need to use 7. 7 times 5 is 35. See how the 7 goes up here? I multiply by this number, and this is the number I get. Now I can subtract. 6 minus 5, 1, and 3 minus 3, 0. My remainder is yes. Oh. One. So now we're going to go check our work. I have to do 17 times 5 plus 1. So I'm going to bounce right into here. And I'm going to hit my little thing here and hit scribble. I do 17 times 5. So 7 times 5 is 35. I carry my 3. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 3 is 8. Remember, I have remainder. Remainder we add. 5 plus 1 is 6, and 8 plus nothing. So 86 is my dividend. This is to check to see if I did my division correctly. So it looks like I did a great job. Thank you so much for your help. Now we're going to go down here and look at a couple more. Make sure we use our vocabulary words. I have a dividend divided by a divisor. So dividend goes inside the division sign. 95. And we're going to divide by 4. I'm going to take this 4 and I'm going to do repeated addition, especially if I struggle with my multiplication facts. This is showing me my numbers I need for my multiples of 4. So if I do repeated addition, I get the same answers as if I was just writing out my multiples. And I'm just quick getting this done as I'm talking so you can see that we need to have this done. It's important, especially if, as I said, we struggle with multiplication facts. Oh, make sure I write the right number. So these are our multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. Those are our top 10, our first 10 multiples of 4. So I'm going to go back to our problem, look at our dividend. I'm going to take one number at a time. Can I pull any groups of 4 out of 9? So I'm going to go back over here and look at what's light blue, our multiples of 4, and see if I can get a number close to 9 without going over. So I have 4, 8, 12. Well, 12 is bigger than 9. So I'm going to go back to 8. Is 8 bigger than 9? No. And I see that 8 is the second multiple of 4. So up here in the quotient, I'm going to put 2. 2, I'm going to multiply the quotient and the divisor. 2 times 4 is 8. Then I do 9 minus 8, which is 1. Because I haven't touched the 5, I need to bring the 5 down. Now I'm looking at 15. I'm not just looking at the 1. I'm not looking at just the 5. It's a number that goes together. It's 2 digits, 15. So 4, how many groups of 4 can I pull out of 15? So again, I look at the multiples of 4, which are the light blue on the right side. I have 4, 8, 12, 16. 16 is bigger than 15, so I'll go to the number above it, which is 12. And I look and I see that 12 is our third multiple of 4s. So I'm going to take that 3, bring it up to our quotient, do 3 times 4. Again, I'm taking the quotient times the divisor, 3 times 4 to get 12. So underneath our dividend, I'm going to write 12. Now I'm going to subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3. Great job. And 1 minus 1 is 0. Can I pull any 4s out of 3s? This is another way you can tell if the division problem's done. You can't pull anything else out. So this goes right up here, our 3, right there. And now we're going to go check our work. We got to do 23 times 4 plus 3. So I'm going to bounce into our drawing tool. 23 times 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1. And we need to add 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. And 9 plus 0 is 9. And 95 is our dividend. And this is how we check. Remember, as you're doing this, to take your time. Pay attention to your repeated addition. Make sure you're understanding your multiples of whatever number you're using and move those multiples over into the quotient. And then take the answer of the quotient and the divisor and put it in your dividend area so you can subtract. As you're doing this, as I said, have fun, take your time, and remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.